students, how are you? I hope you are all fit and fine. Today I am going to start your new chapter, and your chapter is Microsoft PowerPoint 2010. In this we will cover following contents. The first, starting PowerPoint. Second, creating a blank presentation. Third, adding text. Fourth, file operation. Fifth, built-in templates. And the sixth, viewing a presentation. Let us start your first topic. Starting PowerPoint. If you want to start a PowerPoint, then follow these steps. Step first, click on Start button. Step second, choose all program. Step third, click on Microsoft Office. Step 4, select Microsoft PowerPoint 2010. Now the second topic is creating a blank presentation. If you want to create a blank presentation, then follow these steps. Step first, click on File menu and then select New option. Step second, select blank presentation and then click on Create button. Your new presentation will be created. Look at the figure. Now the next topic is adding text. If you want to add a text in your slide, then follow this step. Step first, if you want to enter title in a slide, then click to add title placeholder. If you want to enter a subtitle, then click to add subtitle placeholder. Look at the figure. Now the next topic is file operation. In a file, we can perform many operations like saving, deleting, opening, etc. If you want to save your file, follow this step. Step first, click on File menu, select the option Save. A Save As dialog box appears. Look at the figure. This is a Save As dialog box. In this dialog box, type the name of file in File text box and then click on Save button. Your file will be saved with the extension .pptx. Now the next topic is opening a file. If you want to open a some file, then follow this step. Step first, click on File menu, then choose the Open option. A Open dialog box appears. In this dialog box, type the name of the file which you want to open, then click on Open button. Your file will be open. Now the next topic is built-in template. What is the meaning of built-in template? It is a pre-designed template present in MS PowerPoint. If you want to add this template in your MS PowerPoint, follow this step. Step first, click on File menu, then choose New option. Step second, click on Sample Template option from the available template and theme session. Step third, select any sample template, then click on Create button. Now the next topic is viewing a presentation. If you want to view your presentation, then there are various types of view available in MS PowerPoint. The first is normal view. It is a mean editing view which is used to write and design presentation. If you want to open a normal view, follow this step. Step first, click on View tab, choose the Presentation View option. Step second, click on Normal button. Look at the figure. This is a view of normal. The second view presentation is Slide Sorter view. It displays the miniature of all slides in a presentation arranged in horizontal row. Look at the figure. This is the Slide Sorter view. If you want to open Slide Sorter view, first you click on View option, then choose the Presentation view and then select a Slide Sorter view button. The third view is Slideshow view. Look at the figure. This is a slideshow view. It shows all slides of a presentation starting either from the first slide or the current slide one after another. One slide occupies the entire screen. The fourth view is Notes page view. Look at the figure. This is a note page view. It displays the notes page for the selected slide where you can write additional information for the current slide. Now the last view is Reading view. It is similar to slideshow view. In this, title bar and status bar get displayed on the screen. Look at the figure. The title bar and status bar get displayed on the screen. This is a reading view. Now that's all for today. Now you're giving you a homework. Try to solve the book exercises. I hope you all understand this chapter nicely. Thank you all of you.